Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Section 24 in the Bill of Rights is explicit by saying everyone has the right to an environment that is not harmful to their health or well-being, and to have the environment protected for the benefit of the present and future use through reasonable legislative and other measures that prevent pollution and ecological degradation. The NEMA Act is clear that the environment's harmful practices must be prioritized like that of poverty and previously disadvantaged communities by the state, putting environmental priority right next to all the ANC's priorities, although you never hear the ANC speaks of this. One can ask why. Why wouldn't the ANC also use the environment as a propaganda like they do their other priorities? The answer is easy. Because they can't, as they failed everyone's basic right to a safe environment. Die ANC wat daarvan hou om te praat oor geskiedkundige gebeure wat reeds tot 'n einde gekom het, soos apartheid, praat nie graag van die huidige gebeure waaraan hulle skuldig is nie, want dit pas nie by hulle narratief nie. Daarom word net sekere menseregte skendings uitgewys deur die ANC, daardie wat nie vinger wys na hulle toe nie. Die skending van natuurhulpbronne vir die laaste 30 jaar verwoes en vernietig deur munisipaliteite wat nie die nodige dienslewering kan lewer om 'n skoon omgewing daar te stel nie. Daar is nie een munisipaliteit in Noordwes wat voldoen aan regulasies rakende stortingsterreine nie. Die feit is, daar is nie een munisipaliteit wat 'n lisensie het vir hul stortingsterrein nie. There is not one municipality that don't have wastewater running freely to natural resources, affecting the cost of cleaning drinking water that in return is expensive to the poorest of the poor communities. Honourable Deputy Speaker, environmental racism exists where a type of inequality where people in communities of colour and other low-income communities face disproportionate risk of exposure to pollution and related health conditions. Ecological apartheid exists where there is a form of racism leading to a negative environmental outcome. These practices of the ANC municipalities approach that we are firstly corrupt and will afterwards look at human rights is the root of this evil. I am here today to tell the ANC that they are creating an environmental apartheid through their ecological racism by not prioritizing the environment in their endeavors to create a better life for all. The destruction of the environment is far worse than apartheid, where future generations of Africa will experience famine and shortage of potable water. You as the ANC will be remembered as the organization that did not care for their people, and it will be written up in the future history books that you committed an act of crime against humanity. The future will see you as the monsters of the past by walking over the basic human rights and clean environment. Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker.